The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. It is Wednesday, August 8th. Morning, fellas. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Guys, at this point, I have not turned any bots on. We have CPI at 8:30. Good morning, Lori, Daryl, Steven. Guys, I know I missed that came in real quick. I apologize. Ray, Brian, James, Jim. There's the 8 o'clock bell, fellas. Guys, Chuck, good morning. Guys, I do not suggest crude is a short. I do not suggest that you guys run your bots. Crude should come back down to 67.08. It's done. I mean, it's coming down. We have 4-Star News at 8:30. I do not have bots on. I will not turn them on until after 4-Star News. We're not going to, I mean, the NASDAQ isn't going to miss a trade anyways. It's in longs. Gold is, well, gold could roll, but it's in longs currently. Crude, Russell, irrelevant. They don't come on until 8:55 and 9:30. And ES would have taken a trade this morning, a long, but I do not have it on. So I will wait till 8:30 and get past CPI. This is going to be a big number, guys. I mean, it's big. I think we're looking for about an inflation rate somewhere near 5%. If we come in hotter than that, bond yields will probably tank and ZB would be a long. I'll watch ZB. Probably be good for gold as well, which is up. Good morning, Greg. Deepak, good morning. I sent you a text, Deepak. We're basically going to, got it, yep. Okay. We're basically, fellas, going to sit here until 8:30. We're not going to do anything. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. I'll get that out of the way. And then we'll go through our order flow. We'll look at volume, see where we're at for the day, or at least coming into the session. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There is your government disclaimer. Let's take a spin and see what we've got cooking. Volume's up a little bit in the NASDAQ from yesterday. We have 52,000, almost 3,000 traded. Still below our normal average, but some are trading. We have small net sellers in the NASDAQ currently. We are sitting on VWAP. Copper, small net sellers, I'm guessing currently, the dollar. Dollar is bid. Gold is up. New day high on gold. We could get a blast on gold. If gold gets above 1760, it might be a little more interesting. Anybody short that crude when I said it was a short? Did anybody take that short? Your first target is about 08. Okay, Gary. Your first target on crude is 08. All right, Mark. Maybe right about here, 08. All right, fellas. We do have a couple thousand on OPEC potentially raising production to combat the rising prices. Here is the ES, light volume, inconsequential selling, silver following gold, DAX, light volume, small sellers, euro, decent volume, and buyers. Natural gas also down. Good morning, Becky. Same to you. Again, guys, we have, there's your 08 target. Target 1 filled, hit and filled, and now blowing out. You are sitting right here on a daily trend line. If this daily trend line breaks, 65.75 is the target now on crude. $1 lower from here if this daily trend line breaks. 65.75. Okay? Crude looks like it's going to get smacked in the teeth. Anybody have any questions? By the way, if you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Just as a reminder, the room will not be open tomorrow. The room will not be open tomorrow. So what I'm toying with for tomorrow, I can't really get the bots. I can't get 5 bots on my screen, right? You won't be able to see anything. Maybe I can. So what I may do, guys, is open the room at 8. Trade them as you see fit, guys. I'm trying to get to 40.2 for target 1, which is just ahead of this, what was this swing here. There's 39.7. Take some risk off if you want, guys. Get it on the runner. There's 9. Come on. Got it. Target filled. Target filled. There we go, fellas. Order flow, baby. Order flow. Now it's free trade. It's free trade. Let's see if we can get a daily breakout. New day high by a tick. Don't like that. We 1 tick the high. I want to see it blow. Come on, blow. There you go, guys. 50 ticks on the runner. There we go. That's what we wanted. Big bid stepped in. There we go, fellas. 80 ticks on the runner. So let's move stop up to 42.4. Trade them as you see fit. Gold is long on the bot. They're buying them here now at 46. Where's first target? 47.7. It hit 7, no fill to the tick. God dang it. That's 5 trades in 2 days. Hit it to the tick and no fill. Boy, that torques me. They're buying them here again, 46. Come on, one more push. Order flow, we got 80 ticks, fellas. 80 ticks. I'm going to move I'm going to move here. 43.1 stop. Buyer sellers right in here. We should get 48 and change. We should get close to 48, maybe 49. You're welcome, Eli. You should still be in the trade, though. Oh, okay. I'm hoping to get to 49, guys. Next candle in a minute and 40 seconds. Here's our area. 20 buyers, 32 sellers. We've got to get back above 46.2. The bot hit target 1 and did not fill. Nothing annoys me more. Anybody get filled at target? That's 5 trades in 2 days where we've hit target. Good morning, Dean.
President Biden visit, and they could meet in late September.
Nice job, Michael. Up 600. Come on, we need one more breakout, guys. This could be it. If we get above 47, we go. Come on. We should go. We should get 47.9. Come on. Come on, gold. You hit target once, pulling that 95 higher up. I need a break. We need buyers. All right, guys, I'm going to cinch stop on the order flow trade to 43.7. Okay, we've got 73 ticks on the runner, 76, 80. We get one more breakout. I'm trying to get out of 50. 50.
President Lopez Obrador of Mexico has reportedly invited President Biden to the U.S.
Come on. Go get that target, you dog. You hit it once. Here we go. Buyers. Come on. Buyers. 130. Guys, you can't tell me that this stupid guy here is holding us back at 47.2. This really should go 48 half. It's trying to wind up. There it goes. Should go. One tick lower high with one buyer. One tick lower high. You had 7 in the previous bar. You got 1 here. No buyers on the top. 561. This is running out of gas up here. You guys may, if you're in the bot trade,
Target filled.
you may want to take some off. It hit target here. Order flow, we're up almost 80. There it goes. Now it got target. Okay, there we go. It filled target 1. $45 stop. 45 stop from our entry at 38.3. Come on, I need one more burst. Let's get up to 50. $228. Okay, thank you, Greg. Learn order flow, fellas. You can do this on your own. Learn order flow. There we go. Come on, 50. 50. All right, guys. Come on, let's go 50. Sellers at 50. There we go. I moved stop to 45.2. We still have big buyers right here, 47. $3,000 net buyers in gold. 3,000 net buyers. Come on, push it again. We have $1,000 yet? Nope, almost. Almost a $10 runner, guys. Come on, 48.7. We're going to have to get through 48.8 area. And where do I get that, guys? This whole red area on your order flow is inventory from the move down the other day. It's trying to work back up through that. We're losing buyers. $45.6 stop. 45.6. It's probably tight. You know, better. We're pulling everything up. We're overbought up here. Yeah. We should get to 50. This should get to 50. May not get there on this move, but right where the seller is. Maybe it's got one burst left in it. Get out of here. Come on, one more run. Let's go. If we get above 52, this thing will absolutely skyrocket. We get 57. If we get above 60, if gold gets back above 60, it's trading back to 1800. Above 60, we're going to 1800. So watch it, overnight, double topped. We double topped with one buyer. They're starting to buy the high. 7, not helping. We have a small sequential decline is gone. Should give us one more pop. 10 buyers on the top, 26 in the previous candle. Should give us another pop here, guys. There it goes. So I'm going to move this. I'm going to lock in first target. I expect to be taken out there on the bot. 50 is going to give it an aggravation. So on my stop, I'm going to move up 46.3. Out on gold on the bot. That's fine. 46.3 on the order flow trade. Okay? If we get a break above the day high, I'm going to move my stop to 47.6 unless this bar comes back down through. Then that support is invalidated. But if I get a new break, I'm going to 47.6. Anybody have any questions? Any questions on this trade? Any questions, guys?
Stop code.
Out. If you traded as I demonstrated and showed here, you traded as I suggested, it's $1,180. Everybody good? Everybody good? All right. Are you still in the combine or are you funded? Almost through. Nice. All right, guys. My stop is going to be 39.9. 39.9. I think I just missed that son of a gun. Came to 42.6. I may have missed that by a few ticks, fellas. Good morning, Greg. We just had a 120 tick trade on gold. See if we can do it again. All right, there's the long. First target. I want to get back up to 44.1. Better bounce here, dog. And stop needs to be 39.9. It's not bouncing very quickly, and I'm not digging it. Come on, bounce. Let's go. Come on. I don't care if you give me $100. Just bounce. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Give me 44.1. Oh, I'm stuck at the deviation. 43.1. Come on. Get above 43.4 and go. Go like your life depends on it. Come on. Seriously. I know I got the right target. Got it. Come on. Oh, hit targeted. No fill. Oh! Oh! There you go. Another target, fellas. Order flow, baby. Order flow. I don't care what it do now. $46. Final. 46. All right, fellas. My work here is done. Anybody long? Anybody long again? Okay, Ray. All right, fellas. There we go, guys. It's always easier when you got a bunch of ticks in the boat, right? All right, so what do we want to do here, right? What do we want to do? So now what I would think is we're going to lock in 43.3. 43.3. Hey, Greg. I'm pretty sure. There's my 46 target. This could work now up to 46.6, right? The seller imbalance over here in the previous candle. Is there anybody that really thinks they can't learn to trade order flow? I mean, serious. This is not brain surgery, fellas. It's not at all, Keith. Not at all. Listen, it may look intimidating, but it's not. And I'll tell you right now, for what we've done this morning, I'd fight Mike Tyson. All right, guys, I'm moving up to 44. 46 was my target. This will probably pull back and take me out. I'm actually going to go to 44 half. Lock in 21 ticks or so. $20 seconds to the top of the hour. So the 95 is pushed higher. My order flow guys should know what that means. We could stall here, 47.2. Now, if we blow through it, we need the swing and the high of the day. 51 is now a target. Now, my stop is awfully tight to get to 51. Awfully tight. There's 9 o'clock.
Stop.
All right, fellas. I'm going to take my breakfast break. 2 trades, 1760 order flow. I'll be back, guys, in about huge winner. All right, guys, let me take a look at that. Jeez. And NUE is up another $5 pre-market. God, we should have been long all those infrastructure deals yesterday. Everything is green for the most part. Roku's down. Moderna's down. That's about it. I know you did. I wish I would have bought. I wish I would have bought it. I should have been looking at steel plays like Cleveland Cliffs and UE. I'll look at it. Right. You got Caterpillar? Nice job, Mimi. Yeah, not like we didn't know that infrastructure deal was going to pass, right? All right, fellas. We be jamming. Let them jerk around. Let me get a Dom set. NASDAQ. Small sellers on the open.
Dow and S&P market opening up record highs once again. The Nasdaq popped up 42.
500 sellers in this opening block. Okay, thank you, Ray.
Filled.
And we got a bot trade here, short on the RTY. Let this NASDAQ jerk around. Dollar index coming down, bonds, they're bid. RTY just sitting at VWAP. Guys, if you're joining us late, we had one bot trade so far in gold. The bot's up $300. We turn them off, of course, for news. We've taken 2 gold trades vis-a-vis order flow, and we are up 1760 on order flow trades. Come on, Russell, it's 19. There it is. Target 1 filled. It's 19 ticks, man. I do have the auto trail on. I don't think we're coming much lower than 33. I'm going to move this down to break even, guys, manually. If we break below second target, we'll let her rip. But at the open, that's going to be out. Yeah, out. First target only. That will probably cost me some ticks, but some buyers back into the NASDAQ. I don't have a trade here, guys, and I'm not going to, Russell, I knew it would cost me ticks. All the way down to third target. That damn break even will kill me every time. Second target hit on the bot. Again, doesn't matter. Out at first target, and here comes third target. If you guys are auto trailing, there goes Russell. Third target hit. Nice trade. I just hate them around the open. Let NASDAQ bid, guys. 500 buyers back in. They're buying back what they sold. Let them do what they want to do. We got a lot of ticks in the boat, fellas. We've had a great day. There is no urgency. If we break out, NASDAQ should trade 135. 135. Yeah, mine didn't fire. I have the signal, but it didn't take a trade. I'll be doing education again Saturday, fellas. NASDAQ's going to 135. I like bonds long. Here's the YM. You got 1,000 buyers in this candle. You're up to 1,600 net buyers, NASDAQ. All right, so if we want to scalp a NASDAQ trade, where do we want to be? Let's see here. If I've got an unfinished auction back at 15. We're pulling the 68 up. I think we can get to 136. Let me take a look. Let me see where we can go. Yeah, we should get 136 to 40. 140 is what I would think. Losing some of those buyers. This needs to hold. It did not. Stack seller imbalance. And down we come. There's your short. Probably come 66 on the NASDAQ. 74 and then 66. 74 and 66, guys. 74 and 66. We got 75. Sellers, block 25 sellers here. They're hitting 80. They're hitting 80. We should get 74 and then 66. We could come all the way back down to 21. Could. Buyers in here, small. There's 74. If anybody took the short, there's 74. Your next target is 66. 66. Maybe 67. Bonds, I like. NASDAQ's going to want to hold a bit here. Next target down 66, 67. Yesterday's close was 044 half. We'll probably work down to yesterday's close and probably into VWAP. If anybody is short, you have target one off. Excuse me. Damn, that Russell trade was a monster. It was a beast. I'll wait till the next candle to try to get myself here if you guys are already short. 66. Let me see something here on a daily chart, guys. Just looking at a daily. Yeah, NASDAQ bounced 990. 960 is about as low as I think this is coming. Yeah, that RTY bot was a monster. I'll show it later. $308 sellers at 80, guys. That's your sellers. We're losing our delta. All right, let's see if we can get a pop back up to 84.5 area for a short. If you're not short, your stop. My stop would be 112. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come.
Order submitted.
All right, 84.
Order filled.
Okay. I have no ATM. Nice. Damn it.
Order submitted.
Come on, sell them off. I won't let this get much above probably 90 anyways. We're hanging out right here at this resistance. Stack buyers. Losing buyers. Come on. 319, 320, 310, below 300. Come on, dog. Come on. There we go. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Give me some sellers. 16 on the bottom, not going to do it. Three buyers here. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, I want 67. Should come 66. And then 47. There we go. You got another $800, $600 trade, fellas. Trade them as you see fit. Come on. We took the swing. Let's get 71 and we're home. 800. Come on, chump. If you guys want to take some risk off, feel free. Get you 700-800. Oh, one damn tick. You did not do. There it is. Filled. Free trade. All right, fellas. Now it's just free. I'd like 48 next target. 48 next target. Thank you, Jeff. NASDAQ, the gift that just keeps giving us.
Order submitted.
Okay, there's my stop. And I got an ATM now. Let's see if we can get yesterday's close, guys. 44. He keeps flashing. Get out of there. Here comes VWAP. Guys, as always, trade the runner as you see fit. I'll go down to 77, which is basically what was the first target. Down. Stop should probably be 84, 85. That should be the real stop. We're hanging out just above VWAP. We're going to tag VWAP. We're going to tag VWAP. We're probably going to blow VWAP. We're down to 50, 60 net buyers, 40 net buyers, 30-something net buyers. Delta's decreasing. They've sold them all back. I have no more bot trades. That Russell trade was enormous. So again, I went to break even. Look what I gave up. 37 entry, and you're out at 27, 10 handles. I gave up $500 on the runner. Come on, one more 30 range. We break below this bottom, it's done. I have no interest in longs. None. There we go, guys. There goes the break of VWAP. We're targeting 48 next level. 48. Big buyer sitting at 50. Everybody good? Is everybody good? You guys should be gooder than good. Two monsters in gold. Nice winner here in the NASDAQ. Thank you, John. There's my, no, didn't get 48 yet. I got 50. Come on. Now I really want to see I want that unfinished auction. Let's see if we can get down to 15. I don't know that we can or cannot, but if we can blow through yesterday's close, which will probably bounce us at 43, we've got a shot. Look at all the sellers in here on the NASDAQ. Let it go. Let it go, fellas. Let it go. Just let it go. Unless you want your money, trade it. We got my 48 target. Got 48. Next level down is 16, 15, 16. I'll drop this to 69. Buyers trying to get back above VWAP. Buyers are trying, guys. Real stop is perfect, 68.50. That's my stop, right? I'm above these sellers. I want these guys here to keep us in the trade. Thank you, Chuck. We really need to get back below VWAP. We held that 48 area. NASDAQ will probably bounce. Candle close above VWAP. Don't like it. Sellers better try harder, or else we're going to get hit on the trailing stop. I do not think that this has a shot of going back above 84. I had no interest in a long. It's bidding, it's working back up through the imbalance. You see it? You've got buyers now. So they're negating the imbalance. We are above VWAP. Buyers are trying. And they may bounce this thing back up to 79. If we can get a candle close back below VWAP, it's over but the crying for the bulls. They've worked up through most of this seller imbalance. Come on, back below VWAP. There we go. There we go. Stop held. Come on, give me one candle here, buddy. One candle. Come on, break down. Gold is going to short on the bot in 45 seconds at the close of the candle. Nope. All right, we got our close back below VWAP. That should do it. Should do it.
Order failed.
All right, there's our gold trade. If gold breaks down below 40, she's coming 37. Come on, NASDAQ, sell them off. Below 40, she comes 37. Come on, break this 40. No volume in gold. We're going to get hit on this.
Order failed.
All right, guys, we're out. We're only up 2,700 on 3 trades. That's it. It should break, Greg. There's just not much volume in it right now. All right, so sit tight on NASDAQ, guys. They're buying them back, this candle. I still don't have it longs. Come on, gold. Just break 40. Flush it like a toilet. Russell will short again if it rolls. Gold is in stinking park. It looks like my data stopped it so slow. Hang on, guys. All right, guys, I'm back.
Order filled.
Got another bot trade, Russell. You're thinking we go back up on the NASDAQ, huh? Yeah, I'm not so sure. I think we're coming down, but I have not, Mimi. No. Guys, we are dead slow, dead quiet. I can only, so the only thing that I've tested is I can tell you that on the Russell, your win percentage is around 76%, right? So that means if you take them all off at target one, you have a 76% win rate. Now, I have not tested target two or target three or trailing, and there's no reason to do that because every trader will trade differently. That's why the results will vary, right? Some guys will run them. Some guys will take them all off at one. Some will take some off at two. Some will take them all off and be done at three. Everybody's results will be different. I'm only interested in how often will it get to target one? That's a winning trade. Guys, this market is uber slow at this point. And I've got nothing here unless gold breaks 40. Russell looks like it is just in slow-mo, but probably wants to break up is what it looks like to me. I will not kill the trade. Yesterday, the bots did over 3,000. We're up 42, 4,300 for the week. I'll let them trade. NASDAQ, there's just nothing in it. Russell, I don't like the longs. I don't like the longs anywhere. On what? NASDAQ? Yeah, I don't know. It's increasing. It's so light, it's hard to tell. It's increasing to the negative side, Caleb. Nah, I think we're coming down, buddy. Out on the RTY. That's a losing trade. Here comes NASDAQ down. Gold is no volume. NASDAQ is somewhere between here and there. Guys, I'm in no hurry to put trades on. You're up $2,700. Some of you more because you trade more contracts. Some of you less. But the point is, everybody's green. We've taken 3 trades. They're all big winners. I'm in no hurry to trade this slop. Sit tight 1 second. Thank you, Isaac. Stay out of this mess, guys. Stay out of this. There's no reason to put risk on. Just none. Yeah, gold held at 40. I mean, I still think it's a short. Needs to come down. If it breaks 40, it's cooked. You guys see this volatility? I say that facetiously. Does anybody really want to trade this? Gold's going to break up to 45.1. It's probably going to be a losing trade.
Order filled.
All right. Crude is now short on the bot. Have a crude short.
Hitting new all-time highs in the Dow and the S&P. Bond yields are a little change from yesterday at 135 10-year.
Nothing's moving. I mean, nothing. It's why is today not inventory day? It's Wednesday. Monday wasn't a holiday. It's got to be crude. Yeah, I wasn't given that any consideration, Patrick, honestly. I didn't even think about it. Guys, if you're in the crude bot trade and you want to kill it, we have inventories in 25 minutes. Your prerogative. I'll leave it on through inventory. It's my, unless it comes down. Gold looks like it's going to go up. Honestly, fellas, I have no interest in, at this point, any more risk on. None. I don't have a NASDAQ trade. I mean, I just don't, I refuse to trade NASDAQ. It's a long, but I don't have any interest in this. You got 90 net buyers. Not even now, 70, 80. This is just. Gold is not even moving. That's about what it seems. Todd, 11 people globally trading. That's what it seems. Russell's in Park. Won't stay like this. Yeah, September's coming, fellas. Guys, remember, tomorrow, the room is closed. I am not here tomorrow. I have a dentist appointment. I will not, it's at 8:30. I will not be here. Guys, I like the short side. I like the short with a stop at 92. I mean, it's 30 handles from here, but we're going to get a close below VWAP again. If you're intent on taking a trade, I prefer the short side with a target down at 15. There's your close below VWAP. We've been holding 55 area. We have yet to test 44 quarter, which was yesterday's close. But I don't have any trades. I'm not putting any risk on. You guys all have a bushel of ticks. If you guys want to play, this is the type of market where you give it back. Gold and crude both have little volume. NASDAQ even worse. If I were to take a trade, my money would be on shorts. My stop would be 92. You're welcome, Jacques. Have a good day. Gold now wants to flop into a long. I do not like any of these trades. So trade, look at your volatility and determine on the bots, is it worth trading? Hang on one second. Told you I like NASDAQ to the short side, guys. I would think this breaks down here at 40, below 46, we're coming to 15. Below yesterday's low, 44. It's going to get smashed. Oh, yes. So yesterday's low was 994. Anybody short NASDAQ? Okay. Nice job, Chuck. Target is 15. Next target is 15. Okay, guys. Crude's going to take me out as well. Nice job, Salem. Salem's first day as a fully funded trader. He's up 745. See you Friday. See you Friday. We're coming to 15, guys. I'm telling you. 15. There's an unfinished auction down there. What a dead trade. NASDAQ's a great short again, guys. Another nice short. Out on crude. Shut it off, guys, ahead of inventory. Shut it off. That's on me. I should not have run it. I didn't think about it. Bots off. We could hold here. Here's a 15-minute. We traded right into the 50. I think this will come through. And I think this thing is just zoomed. Looks like gold is going to a losing trade. It's a bad day for the bots, fellas. Bad bot day after a $3,000 up day yesterday.
Order filled.
Okay, now it flipped into a long. All right, NASDAQ broke yesterday's close. 1,600 net sellers. We're not going anywhere, guys. Bounce back to 55 is possible. That would be your short. If you guys are not in a trade, I don't have any interest in putting more risk on at this point. None. I'll let the bots trade. Crude on the long, if I'd have let the bot take the long, is almost a full first target. Gold is just mired. Take a look at stocks real quick, guys. Apple's flat, up 6 cents. Facebook down 2.30. Tesla off $1. Roku off 5.85. Netflix up 27 cents. Nvidia down $1 and change, $1.60. Baidu down 85 cents. Google off 3.43. Moderna off $26. Square up 5. AMD up $1.95. Qualcomm down 4. I mean, it's just dead. The big winner today is NUE up 563. I'll be right back, guys. Time for a Red Bull. I'm back, guys. Inventories in a few. There was no bot trade to take. Just this one that was a loss. Did not take another trade. I'll go over them at 11 o'clock, guys. All right, guys. I'm looking to hit NASDAQ short. Right where it is. If you guys want to try a small NASDAQ short, let me see what I got. Let me look at a 10-minute chart. Yeah. I mean, we could go back to 65. I'll sell that area if we get up there. 64, 65. I don't know that we can. Price movement's leaving a slime trail. I mean, this is as slow. This is This is right here, the epitome of summer trading. You're looking at it. You are looking at it. Great pre-market action. Couple of decent trades, since we've opened.
Just under a minute to the weekly DLE petroleum inventory data. Crude expected minus 500,000 barrels, gas minus 2 million, distillate expected flat, utilizations 4/10, 91.7%. Yesterday's API data was on crude at minus 0.8 million barrels, gas at minus 1 million, distillate at 0.7 million.
Bashkar. I mean, farming potatoes in Idaho might be a lot more fun than watching this slug. All right, guys, pay attention to crude. Let's see if we can get a crude trade. We've got ticks to play with.
Crude stock sets minus 0.4 million, gas
Minus 0.4 million. All right, I'll take a long, guys, here at 78 for a scalp.
Order submitted.
78 long. That'd put us above VWAP. I mean, not much here. Target 1, we're going to have to get through 86, but I can't trade NASDAQ. I mean, that thing is going to fall over of its own weight.
We saw a slight uptick in total gross.
Look at this delta. They're buying them now. They're buying them now. Target 1, 90. Target 1 is 90. My stop is going to be 52.
Order filled.
52. Target 1 is 90. Stop is 52. And I'm surely not 53. If this doesn't break up, I'll take a nickel dime loss and call it a day. I mean, everything just wants to hover around VWAP. Come on, seriously, 12 ticks on inventory day? You don't have 12 ticks in you? 36 buyers, 38 buyers, 40 buyers. Woohoo, 41, 37. This is endemic of the entire trade since the market opened. Come on, stink face. All right, guys, I'm moving my stop all the way up to 60. 59. It's going to come down. That's it. I got ticks to risk. I'm not holding this. This thing can't go 12 ticks on inventory day in any direction. Sellers here and here.
Stop filled.
Out. I'm done. That's it. 21.50. I'm done. Keep it. Keep it. 4,300 contracts have traded in this candle. Nice job, Chuck. And it can't do a damn thing. Nothing. Should get to 15. Should get to 15. All right, 4 order flow trades, 3 winners. Let's see here. Let me look at crude. I do take losing trades, guys. Let me see what crude looks like here. If the bot rolls, I'll let the bot take the trade. Yeah, I think crude is a short on the 10-minute, but I won't have that trade for 7 more minutes. You can short it with a stop above 92. You can short it with a stop above 92 if you guys want. I mean, if you guys want to put the risk on, it's a short with a stop above 92. But if we don't bounce 43, this is going to get, which I think it did, this is going to get ratcheted. It's still holding that daily damn trend line. If that trend line breaks, crude is going to get waylaid. You're welcome, Gary. Guys, at 11 o'clock, we'll go over bot trades as we always do. All right, guys. All right, I'm gonna take a stab at crude. All right, it's a big stop,
Order filled.
and I think we come down to 67.07. It's a big stop though, so think about what you're doing. Yes, Ed. I don't know that it gets it. Yeah, it's trying to roll. It's holding support at 40. It's got to break down below probably 39. Here comes there's 39. You've got a big bid here at 36. If you guys want to scalp at it and get some of your money back from the failed long, scalp at it. You can take 34, 35. What a dead trade. Here comes your 15, guys. Remember I gave you a 15 target on I gave you guys a 15 target on the NASDAQ. There's an unfinished auction there. Anybody holding NASDAQ short to 15? There's an unfinished auction. Okay, John. And we're bouncing 39. We have 3,000 sellers in crude, 3,100 now. It's just sitting, guys. Nice job, Eli. Crude. All right, guys. I'm going to kill the trade.
Order filled.
I'm done, guys, for the day. I'll take 1,800. I gave him back some on the 2 crude trades. I'm not interested in this market. We made a ton. I still think this is coming to 07. My stop is good. My stop is good. This is coming down to 67.07. You're welcome, John. I have zero interest in this market. Zero. Guys, remember, I will not be here tomorrow. Check the room anyways at 8 a.m. I may have the room on with the bots just put the bots on, which I think I'll do, because I can probably squeeze them all in. If you guys want to just watch bot trades, I mean, I won't be here to call trades. And there's always got to be I'll figure it out. And I'll record the session so we can get totals. If I loan you my crystal ball, you'll call trades? Every time I offer somebody to come in and call trades, they laugh at me. Yeah, have a nice day at the dentist. Thank you. It's like saying good luck in divorce court. You're going to get your 15 target, guys. You're going to get 15. NASDAQ's going to come down to 994, which was yesterday's low. "20 minutes, fellas. The bots will be done for the day. We're not going to get a NASDAQ trade. We're not going to get an ES trade. Crude, I still think, is going to roll. I don't, we couldn't get to 90, and on a 10-minute, we could bounce, I guess. But if crude breaks down again below 50, it's coming down. 49, it's coming down. That's on a 10-minute. Now we're holding some support. We could bounce to 67.80. But it is coming to, it's been to 67.07 once. We should see that again. Everybody have a good day, fellas. Everybody have a good day.
Let's make weakness in the currency reflects your economic fundamentals.
Order filled.
Man, we got a Russell trade. Hang on one second. No, definitely not today. I mean, just out of curiosity, what is the impetus that you see to get this thing to 220? I'm not saying it can't go there. But my question is, what's going to take the market higher? We have a range. Okay. Paul, are you in the room? Trial from today? Are you here, Paul? No, he's a trial. I don't say last names. Let me see. Yeah, Paul. Paul S. Are you in the room? Oh, damn it. I forgot. Yeah, we have a bot trade. Sorry, Leo. I forgot to. It missed by a tick. Let's see here. That's trade number 3. Yeah, no. Yeah, I know. But he's also Paul S. He's not answering, so. Gold is almost the first target. Russell almost the first target. Came 1 tick to first target. Guys, this market is just completely dead. Utterly dead. Gold, I think, can get to 50.
Target filled.
All right, there's target on RTY. RTY still doing its thing, fellas. 2 winners in 3 trades. RTY is holding up its end of the bargain. Gold. I mean, gold would be 2 for 3 today, too. The killer today has been crude. Crude's been the killer. But again, inventory day. That's on me. There is no reason for this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, here's what gold has to get through, guys. Gold is going to have to punch through 46.8. If it punches through target, it's going. NASDAQ will not take another trade. That's done. Crude will not take another trade. Crude had 2 trades, 2 losers. A little disappointing. Come on, crude. You can't go 4 ticks. There it is.
Stop filled.
All right, out in Russell. That'll probably be the last trade. Crude came 1 tick from target. Came to 7.
Target
There it
filled.
is. Target hit on, gold. Gold. It's going to be a down day on the bot, but we're getting some of this back. Now I'm just going to leave it. Should get to 50, guys. 47.5, 48.1, 48.7. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Dead market, fellas. Dead, quiet market today. Let me see volume. 14% below our 3-month average daily volume. Tomorrow, I think we have PPI along with jobless claims. Yeah, PPI at 8:30. I think we're out of earnings that we care about. Oh, Baidu tomorrow before the market opens. Okay. Guys, I'm sitting here looking at equities and, they are just puke. Straight up puke. Boy, Coinbase was a great long today. Seven minutes, the bots will be done. Look at this crude. Guys, NASDAQ coming into the top of the hour. Europe closing in about 35 minutes. My money's on shorts. If we're going to get I think we're coming down to 94. See if gold hits the gas into the close of Europe. Got to break above 47.5 and then 48.1. ES, no trades again today. CL. Oh for 1. Gold, 2 for 3. Russell, 2 for 3. And NASDAQ, no trades. David, he left. Oh, he may have said. Let me go back. NASDAQ, guys, I think it's slapped into the close. Did we hit 15? That unfinished auction just got hit. Nope, 1 tick shy. 1 tick shy at 15. 94 is where it's coming if anybody's short. If anybody's short, it's coming to 94. Oh, let me go back and see if I can find what he said, David. I don't see it. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Wait. Earn to trade. Earn to trade. Earn number 2 trade. Yep. All right, guys, 10:58. Locked in. There it is. Out. First target. That's it. Last trade of the day.
Equities rolling over a little bit in the last few minutes. S&P still up 0.2%. NASDAQ back down to minus 0.2%.
Order filled.
Figures I get a bot trade. I just did my numbers. Hang on, guys. Russell shorted. Don't it figure? Here comes your NASDAQ. 94, guys, is your next target. 94 if you're short NASDAQ. 94. The bots are all done. 11 o'clock. And there goes gold. Gold took off right at 11. Above target 1. I think gold can make it to that 50, guys. Come on, Russell. 20 stinking ticks. Come on, man. NASDAQ target, guys, 94. 94 NASDAQ target if you're short. I'll go over all the trades as soon as this trade concludes. If it hits target 1, there it is. Come on. I think we hit it. Maybe missed it by a tick. If we hit it, no, we missed. Missed by 2 ticks. I can live with 2 ticks. Come on, NASDAQ puke. Let's come 94. Nice job, Ray. Short 9 contracts at 19.75. It's coming to 94, dude. And then you got a shot at 73. There goes gold. Here comes your 50 on GC. Europe's buying gold into the close. Got volume now in the Russell. We have volume. Come on.
Target filled.
There it is. Another winner on the Russell. So the Russell was 3 for 4 today, guys. Here, well, you got your 94 target. Here comes 73. Nice job. Okay, Mimi. Nice job. Just on one trade? Or all the trades?
Stop filled.
Okay, RTY. All right, guys. All of them. Okay. So let's go over. Bots were down 19.20 today. Still way up on the week. Thank you, Mimi. Bots were down 19.20. Let's go over the trades. Guys, ES, I did not take this trade. I had the bots off for CPI. That fired at 6:45, went all targets. On the news, on that 15-minute candle, 8:30. 9:22 and is that 40? I can't tell. 30 or 40 ticks. Went all targets. I did not get that trade. Okay. Some of you may have. Here is NASDAQ. No NASDAQ trades today. Purple to purple. No trades. Nothing on NQ. RTY continues to be our star. Here is your first trade on the NASDAQ. I'm sorry, RTY. 931, trade number 1. Exceeded all 3 targets. I got target 1 and break even. Trade number 2 was a losing trade. Trade number 3, first target only. Trade number 4, hit second target. I'm out at first target. Okay? 3 winning trades in 4. Gold. This was trade number 3. I'll go back to number 1. Hang on, guys. I didn't mark it. Okay. This was gold's. That was just before news. Okay, so I did not take this trade. Okay, coming into the 8:30 4-star news, I did not let the bot take that trade, but it did hit target 1. Be that as it may. Trade number 1, winning trade. Trade number 2, losing trade. Didn't break 40. Trade number 3, winning trade. Gold was 3 for 4 today. Some of you may still be in it with runners. And crude. Here is crude. My bot did not take this trade for whatever reason. It happens. Took this short like a Yutz. Worst case scenario, guys, on inventory day, your bot should be off at 10 o'clock. That's stupid operator error. Stupid error. Did not take this trade. The bots are down 1920 and 1,500 of it is on one trade. Stupidity. This is 10:15 after the news. Makes first target, or within a tick, it looks like, 1 tick, and that's it. I didn't take this trade. 0 for 1. That is all the bots, guys. So I'm at negative 1920. For my trial members, I will be sending you today's video. It will also be posted to YouTube. I post every day. Win, lose, or draw, good, bad, or indifferent. Order flow trades. I think we had 5, at least official. I don't count anything verbal, right? I only count what's on my DOM at the end of the day. I'm at 1760 green. Guys, we could be slow. The last couple of weeks of August, it would be par for. There goes gold. Here comes your 50. Thank you, Jeff. I still think you'll see 73. Once we're out of Europe, if we're going to bounce, it'll be once we're done with Europe. Okay? I mean, and again, depending on how you trade, look, here's another 40 ticks if this gets to second target. So that 1900 becomes, 1400, right? 14 and change. This first trade on the Russell with the trail on, instead of $100 becomes 500. So that's why I only target, or the historical averages are only for first target, because everyone will trade them differently going forward, right? Some guys will trail until oblivion. I know we had a few guys that did because they were telling me. Some guys will take them all off at target 1. So my historical numbers, which are pretty damn good, they're all over 70%. Everything we trade is over 70%. That's target 1. Guys, have a blessed day. I will see you Friday. And here's another look at, and even on this Russell trade, right? We hit third target, 70 ticks. So it's all how you guys trade the runners that will give different totals relative to me or anybody else in the room. Check the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock or just before, because I think what I'm going to do is turn the room on, open the room, just record, and let the bots trade. You guys can watch the bots trade if you want. I will see you guys all on Friday. If anybody needs me, call me, email me, Skype me. Thanks, fellas. Be blessed. I will see you Friday. Next target down, guys. Here comes that 73.50. If anybody's still short NASDAQ, and here comes crude right back to earth. Crude is a short. Anybody still short NASDAQ? All right, I'll give you a target. We're sitting on the daily 21 on the NQ. This may be it. We're sitting right on a trend line, and no, we're not. Daily 21 is 960. I don't think we're going to break the daily 21, fellas. So you may get to 960. We came 73. It's kind of close for hand grenades. So what I would suggest is I'll look for the bounce once we get out of Europe at 11:30. I'll post it in member Skype. Okay? Be blessed. I'll see you all Friday, guys.